When you are noticing that your garage door is not functioning because it once did, it could be time for you to talk to a professional for help. My company should be able to troubleshoot your garage door, figure out what issues it provides, and then make advice on whether it must be repaired or replaced. We can present you with a bid with regards to exactly how much it is going to cost, and subsequently start doing the install or repair. Our goal would be to always provide our customers with all the best services, allowing them to have their garage door to normal. Get more information today about our garage door services by contacting my Garagear Garage Door Spring Long Branch NJ Company today.